Hey everyone, it's Bob from BobTheToolMan. And today I'm unboxing the Livarno Home LED solar light, a handy, motion-activated outdoor light that runs entirely on solar power. Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this helpful. Hit the bell to catch future reviews and tool unboxings on BobTheToolMan. It's a square panel with a built-in twilight sensor and a generous 2.5-meter connection cable already attached. That gives you a lot of flexibility when mounting it away from shaded areas. It features a built-in motion detector and is completely solar powered. Power source: rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 3.7 volts, 600 milliamp hours, not user replaceable. Light output: 16 fixed LEDs with a total power of 0.75 watts. Motion detection range: approximately 5 to 12 meters. Detection angle: around 90 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically. Power and modes. One thing I noticed right away is the switch underneath the spotlight. You've got 3 settings. Off for when you just want to charge the battery. Auto, the eco mode. Light turns on automatically at dusk at reduced brightness. PIR, this is the motion sensor mode. The light only turns on when it detects movement in low light and stays on for about 90 seconds. Mounting height recommended: 1.8 to 2 meters. You'll need to give the battery a solid charge before first use. According to the manual, a full charge can take a day or 2 in summer sun, or longer in winter. Four wall plugs with 6 millimeter in diameter. Next step, assembly. I'll go ahead and mount the light and solar panel in the next part of the video, but I'll say this: the included hardware is standard and seems suitable for brick or masonry. If you're mounting to drywall or another surface, you might want your own screws or anchors.